Hey guys, it's Miss Caceres. So this week we continue to see in science matter, but this time we're going to be seeing the states of matter. Our objective is to identify the differences among the three states of matter. Our I can statement is, I can identify characteristics in a solid, liquid, and a gas. Solids can be identified because it has a definite shape. Liquids is a substance that has a definite volume but does not have a definite shape. That's why if you guys notice when you move water from a jug of water into a glass, you'll see that the shape changes, but not the volume. And for gas, it's a form of matter that does not have a definite shape or a definite volume, which is the interesting one of all three. Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. This was said by Carl Sagan. So, moving on. We'll be doing lesson 1, states of matter. Here you have your vocabulary, solid, liquid, and gas, and you have your academic vocabulary, differentiate. Here we need to think about how the clothing that we wear when we go outside varies depending on the weather. If it's a warm day, we want to wear something cool, light fabrics that protects us from the sunlight. If it's extremely cold, we're going to have to wear something that will keep us from freezing. So explain to me why you think it's necessary for travelers in the South Pole, seen here in the image, to wear this clothing that protects them from the cold. Why do you think it's necessary? I can't wait to hear your responses to that. Okay. I'm going to go back now. Give Ms. Caceres 1 second. We have a video on states of matter as well. Please enjoy.
Water to ice. Hey, those lyrics from a new song got me thinking about something you probably have heard about before. States of matter. You know, solids, liquids, and gases. Hey, this is pretty important stuff. I mean, you could go around labeling the state of almost everything around you. Headphones, solid. Air, a gas. And this, water, a liquid. But wait, my friends, this simple glass of ice water is more than it seems. The ice is a solid floating in a liquid, the water. And if I pour some water in a dish, it'll eventually evaporate. It doesn't disappear. It turns to water vapor, which is invisible. So water is one substance with 3 states, but there are a lot of other substances too. If you've ever gotten solid frozen yogurt and didn't eat it quickly enough, it melted into liquid. And what about this rock? Definitely a solid, right? But what about that river of red stuff coming out of a volcano? That's liquid rock, my friends. If you heat solids to a high enough temperature, most of them will become liquid. Keep the temperature climbing, and many will become gases. Here's a question for you. Think about water for a moment. What's the difference between a freezing point and a melting point?
So that was an interesting video on states of matter. Also, we have an interactive activity based on solids, liquids, and gases. Matter can change shape. The state of matter and the shape of the container it is in can affect the shape of the matter. You received a package of mysterious substances labeled solid, liquid, or gas. Complete the lab to help you classify the mystery of the substances. So obviously this won't work right now because I don't have it activated for you guys, but we do have many more activities prepared for this topic this week. So join me, of course, in finding out how the different states of matter changes. For example, 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. How can you change the state of matter? This, obviously, is a solid in the form of ice. How would we change the solid? That's right, we would have to get it to what we call a melting point, which would then turn it into water. And if we get to what we call a boiling point, that water will then turn into a gas state. Well, I can't wait to see what science awaits us this week in the different states of matter. I'll see you guys later. Bye.